limp on the trunk. I think it should say limp. Here he comes. Everybody give him a big hand. Jeff Bushy. And with Jeff's departure, that can mean only one thing, folks. Put it together. Here he comes. Larry Flippin' Quick.
You going right now?
What, the jump?
All the way from Aledo, Illinois. Airing it out. You can hear that big cubic motor going right now as he burps it down the track. Hold on to your seats, folks. Larry Quick. Getting some good height. Just killing the driver on no side. He wants to drive through. There he goes, clearing the whole stack. Making it look too easy. Larry Quick in the 68 Mustang. Put your hands together for him. He will be attempting a world record stunt today, folks. Larry Quick in the Ghost Rider. I met this madman back in 2006. We've been together ever since. Huge hair. Just getting some huge